Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we catch up on step-by-step follow to the Windows update error code for KB5038285 and KB5037768. This is the problem for not updating your Windows. Then step-by-step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for check the internet connection. Okay. Then you will internet connection for connect or not connect. You will first of all check to connect it to you will come to the second step or not connected to you will connect it to get to open to the settings to get check the Windows update for update or not updating. You will get check not updating to connect to the second step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Okay. Then go to click to the search bar, search the troubleshoot settings. You will click to open. We click to the other troubleshoots. See the Windows update. We click to run. Then wait for the few minutes for the detected the problems issues. Okay, I will come to the next step for get to open the CMD. You will proceed typing for I will provide this two comments for this video description. You will get copy to paste the CMD. Okay, I will select the SFC space and slash scannow and copy to go to click to the search bar, search the CMD, then click to the run as admin. This is the important. You will certainly click to yes. You will press the control press V to click to enter. Then this is a 100% verification completed. So you will come to the same step. Okay. I will pass it this step. Okay. Go to the next step for wait for the this is the detected the problems. Okay. Then third step is winning. Then fourth step for change the automatic in Windows update. Okay, get back to the search bar, search the services, wait to set it to scroll down for see the Windows update, then right click to properties. You will start a play for change the automatic services that for already is running. Your device for stop it. You will get change the start to click to apply, click to OK. Then this fourth step is this you will check the Windows update issues anyone simple error showing to you will click to close to you will go to click to the search bar, search the settings, you will click to the Windows icon, get this raise some updates to get update the Windows. Okay. Then this second step for this is not for the 100% completed. You will complete it to this second command you will copy to get paste to click to enter. Okay. Then this first step is finished to you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop to this problem issues for solve it. Then anyone doubt open the comment and thank you for watching.